Armed Forces Flag Day, 7th December. 7th December every year is observed as the Armed Forces Flag Day throughout the India to honor the martyrs and the men in uniform who valiantly fought and continue to fight on our borders to safeguard the country's honor. The day focuses to provide rehabilitation to the war victims, resettlement and well-being of the ex-servicemen personnel, and also reinforces the cultural connection among the Indians and the armed forces personnel. Objective: the main objective of Armed Forces Flag Day is to collect the funds from people for the betterment of armed forces staff just by selling Indian flags, badges, stickers and other items. Significance: the day gives Indian citizens opportunity to express their gratitude to both veteran and current military personnel of the country and pay homage to those who died in service. At the same time, the day allows citizens to take responsibility for looking after disabled servicemen, families, and dependents of martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the country. History: this annual tradition started in 1949 on 28th August. The then Defence Minister of India set up a committee to observe a flag day every year on December 7. The general idea behind this was the collection of funds from people by distributing flags. In 1949, the Armed Forces Flag Day Fund was also established by the Committee of Defence Minister. All the associated welfare funds such as funds for war victims, Kendriya Sainik Board Fund, ex-servicemen's welfare fund and other units were united to make a single Armed Forces Flag Day Fund in the year 1993 by the Defence Ministry of India. The fund collection is managed by the local arms of Kendriya Sainik Board in India, which is a part of the Ministry of Defence. It is controlled by the Managing Committee and monitored by both the official and non-official voluntary organizations. Celebration: during the Armed Forces Flag Day, the staff from the Indian military arranged various traditional and cultural programs, dramas, festivals and other entertainment activities to show in front of the general public of the nation about their safety. The Indian military personnel participate in dispensing the Indian tricolour flags or vehicle flags, red, dark blue, light blue, donating the 3 divisions of Indian Army across the nation. The brave and adventurous militant displays to the common people that how they have faced the encounter during battle and sacrificed their lives to safeguard and protect the lives of the nation.